I wanted to visit with you today about how I use my concrete mixer. I'd like to just do a real quick demonstration, and that way you might be a couple of steps ahead of me the first time I try to use it. Alright, this is a 80-pound mixer. That's about as much as it can do at a time. I'd like for you, if you'll come over here, I'd like to show you about how much water I put in here to start with. Alright. So can you see the water going through those slots like that? Okay. Alright. That's about 14 seconds worth of water out of that nozzle for me. Then I take my 80-pound bag. I'll leave it running on the first notch on the side of it. I'll show you that in just a second. Open my bag. I just keep spinning with it, and once it's about emptied out, I just let it ease it out. Okay. Now, whew, if you'll come around over here on this side, please. All the way over here. All right. So these are the notches. This will be straight up. That's your first notch, and that's where I have it set to fill it with water and pour the first bag in. And then I click it up one, and I check if it's not pouring out just yet. Bring it up one more. Then you'll see how it starts to push just a little out. That's okay. That's what we want. And then if you'll come around here and just look in there, I want you to be able to see the very back of it. We scoot down a little bit. All right, you'll see how you can see the inside of the barrel on the very back. That's how you know you've done a good job. And then when you empty it out, I'll empty it out real quick. Spin it around to the top notch. Let it spin. Okay. You bring it back around to that first notch, and you can see your barrel is empty. There's no excessive stuck debris. There's a couple of rocks in there, but that's no big deal. The main thing is that you don't have concrete stuck to the bottom of it. And that's how I do it. That's what works for me, best for me, I've found.